Welcome back, students. 2020-23 geography quiz will be resumed just now. I am going to call the name from class 9. From Kaveri House, the selected students for final rounds are Vinayak, Ananya and Bhavesh. And from Narmada House, Muskan, Vaibhav and Gauri. And from Helam House, Akshita, Ayush and Archita. As you know, we have 4 rounds. First round is general round, second round is option round, third round is rapid round, then buzzer round, and finally medal round will be played. To decide the medal, which student will get medal. In general round, 6 questions will be asked. You have 6 questions. For first right answer, you will get 5 points. And the point will double if you give the right answer. Okay? And second round is option round. In option round, you will be given option. In first, if you give the answer in first step, you will get 40 points. And in second, if you fail to give right answer, second chance will be given. That will give you 20 points. And if you fail to give the answer right, then third final 10 points. That will give you 10 points. And in rapid round, you will be given 1 minute time to give answer of 6 questions. And if you give all the 6 questions answer right, you will get 240 points and plus 100 bonus point. Okay? And buzzer round, there is no change in buzzer round, and medal round is also the same. So, and you must speak in mic so that sound should be listened by all people. So, first question for you is, what is the other name for Pak Strait separating India from Sri Lanka? What is the other name for Pak Strait separating India from Sri Lanka?
Gulf of Mannar.
Gulf of Mannar is the right answer. 5 points. 5 points finally. Now your next question. This will give you 10 points. Okay. Name the types of rocks of which the peninsular plateau is made.
Igneous, metamorphic and old crystalline.
Right answer. Again the answer is right. So 10 points to Kaveri. And now we have reached to third question, that this will give you, if you give right answer, 20 points. Which type of mountain is Himalaya?
Young fold mountain.
Young Fold Mountain is the right answer, and choosing right answer, 20 points. Now, fourth question. This will give you 40 points if you give the right answer. Name the type of rock of which the Great Himalaya is made. Name the type of rock of which the Great Himalaya is made.
Granite.
Granite is the right answer. 40 points. And fifth question will give you 80 points if you give the right answer. What is called the longitudinal valley lying between glacier Himalayas.
Dunes.
Dunes. Dunes is the right answer. So 20 points. And this is your last question, sixth question. And if you give the right answer of this question, you will get 160 points. Northeastern Himalaya is made of which type of rock? Northeastern Himalaya is made of which type of rocks? Name the rocks of which Eastern Himalaya is made of.
Sandstone.
Sandstone, no. Sedimentary rock. Yes, sandstone is type of sediment. You have to say the type of rock. Sedimentary rock. Right answer. So 160 points. They have one maximum point from this round. And now it's time for Narmada. Your first question is, name the place in India which is situated on three seas. Name the place of India which is situated on three seas.
Kanyakumari.
Kanyakumari is the right answer. 5 points to Narmada. Now, Narmada, your next question, second question. This will give you 10 points. Name the 4 hills that make Purvanchal. Name the 4 hills that make Purvanchal. Name the 4 hills that make Purvanchal.
Patkai, Mizo, Naga and Manipur hills.
Right answer, Patkai, Naga, Manipur and Mizo hills. 10 points. And your third question will give you 20 points if you give right answer. Name the largest inhabited riverine island.
Madhuli.
Madhuli. Which river?
Brahmaputra.
Right answer, Madhuli is Brahmaputra river. Which is the largest freshwater lake of India? Which is the largest?
Bullard Lake.
Bullard Lake. Where is Bullard Lake?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Right answer. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bengal?
Damodar.
Damodar is the right answer. Damodar is known as Sorrow of Bengal. Now, your last question that can give you 160 points. Name the place where Brahmaputra takes a U-turn. Name the place where river Brahmaputra takes U-turn.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Name the place in Arunachal Pradesh.
Near the Hang God.
Name the place I am asking. It is mentioned in your book. I am giving you chance. Okay, now anyone from the audience? Yes, Sakshi. Namcha Barwa. Namcha Barwa is the right answer. So clap for Sakshi. Archita, Archita and Ayush. All 3A. 3A is here. Archita, Archita and Ayush. Tell me the 3A, which is the highest peak of Western Ghat? Which is the highest peak of Western Ghat? Annai Muti. Right answer. Annai Muti is the right answer. Do you know what is height? Yes. 2,600. It is mentioned 37. Okay, right. You have given already right answer. Question was only, this is the high, I just asking this question for. Now the next question for you is, that will give you 10 points. Name the largest river in Rajasthan desert. Luni. Luni is the right answer. And your third question will give you 20 points. Name the largest saltwater lake in India. Chilka Lake. Right answer. And your fourth question, that will give you 40 points. Name the island of Lakshadweep on which there is a bird sanctuary. PT? PTI? Pitti Island. Pitti Island. Right answer, Pitti Island. In which year Indian Water Treaty was signed? In which year Indian Water Treaty was signed? 1960. Right answer, and you have reached 80 points. That is your last question. If you give right answer, you will get 160 points or 0 points if you fail to give the answer. The joint name of Ganga and Brahmaputra after entering Bangladesh. Meghna. Meghna is the right answer. So they have given all the answers right. After first round, Narmada is 155 and there is tie between Kaveri and Jhelum. Both have got 300 maximum, the point maximum 315 points. I will start from Kaveri. Kaveri, are you ready? Okay. Name the bird sanctuary located in Lakshadweep Island. Options are A. Brahmaputra, B. Chilka, C. Nal Sarovar and D. Pitti. This question has been repeated. Okay. Which region of India is a storehouse of mineral? Which are giving options? Which region of India is a storehouse of minerals? The mountain, A. The mountain, B. The desert, C. The plateau, D. The plain. Plateau is the right answer. 40 points again. Which region in India is known as granaries of India? Which region of India is known as granary of India? Options are A. Ganga plain, B. Indus plain, C. Northern plain, D. Southern plain. Northern plain is the right answer. Name the main formation by river in upper course. Name the formation by river in upper course. Options are Gorge, Minder, Oxbow, Delta. Gorge. Right answer. So they have got all the points. Okay. In which state Kanchenjunga is located? In which state Kanchenjunga is located? Yes.
Sikkim.
Options I am giving first. Yes. A. Assam, B. Tripura, C. Meghalaya and D. Sikkim. We have got Sikkim. Right answer. What name is given to Himalaya lying between Satluj and Kali River? What name is given to Himalaya lying between Satluj and Kali rivers? Options are A. Kashmir Himalaya, B. Himachal Himalaya, C. Kumaon Himalaya, D. Assam Himalaya.
Kumaon Himalayas.
Kumaon Himalaya is the right answer. 40 points. Now, third question for you. What is the average rainfall in desert area? What is the average rainfall in desert area? Options are below 100 mm annually, B. below 150 mm annually, C. below 200 mm annually, and D. below 250 mm annually.
Below 150 annually.
Below 150 mm annually. Right answer, 30 points. And the last question of the round. What is the central stretch of coastal plain called? What is the central stretch of coastal plain called? A. Konkan plain, B. Kannada plain, C. Gujarat plain, D. Kerala plain.
Kannada plain.
Kannada plain. Right answer. So he has given all the answers in first stage. Now your time, Jailan. Ready? Ready? Yes. First question. What name is given to Himalaya lying between Shista and Dian rivers? Name. What name?
Assam Himalayas.
I am giving the options. Options will be given. First is A. Kashmir Himalaya, B. Himachal Himalaya, C. Kumaon Himalaya, D. Assam Himalaya.
Assam Himalayas.
Assam Himalaya. Right answer. Assam Himalaya. Between Shista and Dian river. What is the area of northern plate? Options are, what is the area of northern plate? A. 7 lakh square kilometer, B. 8 lakh square kilometer, C. 9 lakh square kilometer, D. 11 lakh square kilometer.
7 lakh square kilometers.
7 lakh square kilometer. Right answer. Name the highest peak of Eastern Ghat. Name the highest peak of Eastern Ghat.
Mahendragiri.
Mahendragiri is the right answer. Which hill of India is highly eroded? Which hill of India?
Aravalli.
Options are A. Aravalli, B. Western, C. Eastern, and D. Satpura. Aravalli Hills. Right answer. So they are playing very well. They are getting all the points. Only one question has been taken by Narmada House. So next round will be what? Rapid round. Will be asked. You have to give the answer in 1 minute, 60 seconds. And if you don't know the answer, you must say pass. Otherwise, I will not ask the next question. Okay? Ready? Ready for it? Sir, ready. Name any 3 states of India. They have neither a coastline nor an international border.
Chhattisgarh. Delhi and Haryana.
Right answer. What is the average height of Himadri?
6,000.
6,000.
meters.
Right answer. What is the highest mountain peak in India?
Kanchenjunga.
Right answer. What is the height of Kanchenjunga?
8,598 meters.
Right answer. Name the state where the hill station Rani Khet is located.
Uttarakhand.
What is the length of the land boundary of India? What is the length of land boundary of India?
15,200.
15,200. Right answer. They have given all right answers, so they have got 200. Ready, sir? Name the river from which Indira Gandhi Canal has been built.
Peas and Satluj.
Right answer. Name the river which flows through Ladakh, Gilgit and Pakistan.
Indus.
Right answer. Name of wildlife reserve of Bihar.
Valmiki Tiger Reserve.
Right answer. Name the plant that filters out certain toxic substances
Water
from
hyacinth.
industry. Right answer. What is the latitudinal extent of India? What is the latitudinal
8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north.
Right answer. How much distance was reduced between India and Europe after opening of Suez Canal?
7,000 kilometers.
Right answer. They have also given all the answers right. Okay. When I say ready, triple A. Ready. What is the longitudinal extent of India?
East around 97 degree 25.
Right answer. What is the area of India?
3.28 million square kilometers.
Right answer. What percent of India share or India?
2.4%.
What percent of land India share?
2.4%.
What is the length of coastline of India?
7,561.
Right answer. What is the perimeter of India?
22,716.0.
When was Suez Canal opened?
1869.
86. Right answer. All the answers are right. Narmada is on 655 points and Salem and Kaveri is sharing 815 points. Now the last round for you have to press buzzer for give the answer, and if you press buzzer first you will get chance, and who will press second will get chance second, and third will get chance. And if you press the buzzer before the completion of question, minus 15 points, and next house will get chance also. And if you press the buzzer and give wrong answer, then also your minus 15, and next house will get chance. So ready for it, all of you? Are you ready? Name the formation by river before it merges to ocean. Salem. Delta is the right answer. What is the length of river Godavari? Jhelum. 1500 kilometer is the right answer. Name two formation by river in middle and lower coast. Kaveri,
Oxbow Lakes and Meander.
Oxbow and Meander. Right answer. What part of river Indus located in India? Kaveri.
1/3.
1/3 is the right answer. Narmada, why are you not pressing the buzzer? This time you will press. Okay. I want, but last question for you of this round. And if you press the buzzer before my completion, your marks will be reduced -50. Name the tributaries which join the Indus in Kashmir region. All of them have pressed the buzzer before my question has. So all -15 all.
जोड़ दीजिए हो गया
Calculate the points. It's over. Now I'm going to announce the result. Which house is winner? Now, yes. It's tie. And so I will decide with the toss which house is winner. And Narmada is on third spot. Okay. So first and second will be decided. Okay. And this is head. Okay. ठीक है ना? Head and head. This is tail. Okay. And this is head. Who will call? Decide who. Oh yeah, Chitra will call. It's head. It's head. Okay. So there is no. So sit according. You sit there. The lake of Gauri. It's your whose rank is higher? Indus. Gauri. What is the length of river Indus? Gauri. It's your question. What is the length of river Indus?
2900 kilometers. 2900 kilometers.
Right answer 2900 kilometers. In which state where is Dev Prayag?
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand is the right answer. Muskan, your question. Name a distributary of river Ganga.
Bhagirathi Hooghly.
Bhagirathi Hooghly. Right answer. Where does Brahmaputra enter India? Where does Brahmaputra enter India? In which state? Madhya Pradesh. Brahmaputra in Madhya Pradesh. So sorry for you. Good God is. Okay, you have played well. Clap for her. Arunachal Pradesh. Right answer. Arunachal Pradesh is the right answer. And one student from this house will be selected. After that, I will ask question continuously because all of you have the same point. Okay. Muskan, keep the mic close. What is called Brahmaputra in Arunachal Pradesh? What is called Brahmaputra in Arunachal Pradesh? What is the name of Brahmaputra in Arunachal Pradesh? If you fail to give the answer and he also gives wrong answer, he has already given his answer right, but he has to clarify this question also. That if he failed to give the answer of this question, then I will ask another question to you.
Divang. Divang.
Spelling?
D-I-V-A-N-G.
Divang. No, think it is Dihan. Right answer. Okay, I have given you a chance. Dihan, not Dihan, Dihan. Dihan. D-I-H-A-N-G. You are saying Diban. Diban not. Dihan. Okay? Slight mistake I am giving you because your mistake was not very big. It was somehow very close to the answer. So I am giving you the chance. Where does Narmada originate?
From Amarkantak Hills.
Amarkantak. Right answer. Name the falls near Jabalpur.
Dhuadhar Falls.
Dhuadhar Falls. Right answer. Where does Tapi originate?
From Satpura range in Betul district.
Right answer. Right answer. Peninsular river.
Godavari.
Godavari is the largest peninsula. Right answer. Where does Godavari originate? Yes. Where does Godavari originate? If you fail to give the answer and she also failed to give the answer, then you can continue. I will remove this question. I will ask another question. Where does Godavari originate? Muskan?
Nasik district of Maharashtra.
Nasik district of Maharashtra. Sorry for you. You have played very well. Really, he has played very well. Bad luck. Now I will ask question for all of you. First from Muskan. Rank according to you. Sit according to your rank. No, you sit here. Otherwise, in this house, what is the rank? It's your question, Muskan. Where does Krishna originate? River Krishna. Where does river Krishna originate? Okay.
Spring of Mahabaleshwar.
Let me see the answer. Mahabaleshwar. Clear? Right answer. Which is the second largest waterfall in India?
Sundaram Falls.
Siva Sundaram Falls is the right answer. Which lake in India is the result of tectonic activity? Which lake in India is the result of tectonic activity? Which lake in India is the result of tectonic activity? Keep silence. No more discussion. Let her think hard. Remember all the lakes of India. Which lake in India is the result of tectonic activities? Stand. Tectonic activity. If you don't know the answer, remember your God and say a name of lake in India, lake of India. No. Can you give the answer? Yes, Buller. It is Buller Lake. It is Buller Lake. So really, I am sorry for you also, Ananya. Now your question. What is the full form of? Keep the mic closer. What is the full form of NRCP? NRCP. NRCP. Keep the mic closer. What is the full form of NRCP? What is the full form of NRCP? Right answer, National River Conservation Plan. Now your question, keep the mic. When was Ganga Action Plan introduced?
1985.
1985 is the right answer. Now, Akshita, it's your turn for the giving answer. What percent of fresh water is trapped as ice? What percent of fresh water is trapped as ice? What percent of fresh water is trapped as ice?
97%.
Yes. What percent of fresh water is trapped as ice? What percent of fresh water is trapped as ice? Guess. Don't speak in mic. What percent of fresh water is trapped as ice? Right answer, 75% is the right answer. 75%. Now, Muskan. What percent of water of Indus is used by India?
20%.
20% is the right answer. Bhavesh. What refers to the sum total of weather condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time?
Climate.
Climate is the right answer. What refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time? Weather. Weather is the right answer. Which state in India receives highest rainfall? Wrong answer, Monsoon. There is no state in Meghalaya. Meghalaya is the state. Right answer. Which state Which state in India receive lowest rainfall? Which state in India receive lowest rainfall?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan is the right answer. Name the month in which Tamil Nadu coast receive rainfall. October and November. Right answer. And speak in mic. All of you must speak in mic so that answers should be listened by the others also. Now keep your mic closed. Name the climate of India according to its latitude. Name the climate of India according to its latitude. Which type of climate found in India according to latitude?
Below Tropic of Cancer, north of Tropic of Cancer.
Name the climate. Which type of climate? Name the climate of India according to its latitudes.
North of Tropic of Cancer subtropic and south of Tropic of Cancer tropic.
Right answer. He has given the answer right. Now Bhavesh, where do northeasterly winds originate? Where do northeasterly winds originate? Central Asia is the wrong answer. And if all of them give wrong answer, you have chance. Otherwise, I will remove the question. Otherwise, you will be not here. You will sit in audience. Yes, Vinayak. Where do northeasterly winds originate?
Indian Ocean.
No, not the right answer. Keep the mic. No. Ayush?
Subtropical northern hemisphere.
Subtropical northern hemisphere is the right answer. I will ask her a question. If she gives right answer, then you all four will play till for bronze medal. You have chance to play for both bronze medal. Now, Akshita, after asking this question, I will ask question from these girls. Okay? What is Coriolis force? What is Coriolis force?
Coriolis force is a force which is responsible for the deflection of wind to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. This is also known as Farrell's law.
Tell me again, what is Coriolis force?
Coriolis force is a kind of force which happens due to the rotation of the earth.
Right answer. Okay. Now you four will play for the bronze medal. Okay. Muskan, your question. What is known as Coriolis force, which is responsible for deflecting winds towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere? What is known the Coriolis force, which is responsible for deflecting winds towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere?
Farrell's law.
Farrell's law. Right answer. What is the approximate latitude of subtropical westerly jet stream? What is the approximate latitude of subtropical westerly jet stream?
27 degree to 30 degree.
Right answer. (27 to 30 degrees). What? Where? North or south? North. Right answer. Where does westerly jet stream blow? 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 If
June to November.
June to not June to no, this is not the right answer. Let me try again. You are very near to the answer, but June to. I am giving you one more chance because you are some very not very far, but jet stream. When does westerly jet stream blow? This is not the right answer what you have said. So I am asking her if they both of them fail to give the answer, then you otherwise you will play. Yes. Huh? During the winter. I know about it, but okay, Muskan.
During summer.
No. No. So I am going to remove this your question. Okay. What is the approximate latitude of subtropical easterly jet stream?
14-degree north.
Right answer, 14-degree north. Now, Archita, when does easterly jet stream blow? When does easterly jet stream blow? During summer, right? Speak it. Why?
During the summer.
Right answer. Muskan, your question. When does western cyclonic disturbance occur in India? When does western cyclonic disturbance occur in India? When does western cyclonic disturbance occur in India? When does western cyclonic disturbance occur in India?
During winter.
Right answer, during the winter. Now, Bhavesh, when does tropical cyclonic disturbance occur in India? When does tropical cyclonic disturbance occur in India? When does tropical cyclonic disturbance occur in India? And you will speak in mind. When does tropical cyclonic disturbance occur in India? No, this is not the right answer. And if he gives the right answer, then if he all of then you will one of them give the right answer, you will not. Otherwise, you will survive. If they give to fail the not to give the answer. Okay, Vinayak, for you. When does tropical cyclonic disturbance occur in India? You don't have it. October and November. So both of you out. Sorry. Very well played, Vinayak and Bhave. Clap for this. Come this side. You come this side. Achita, go. Sit in the middle. Okay. The fight between Archita and Muskan. Who will win? Guess. Muskan, you guess. Who will win? You don't know. Archita, have you any idea? You don't know. Audience, have you any idea who will win? Muskan? Who will win both medal? Muskan or Archita? Raise hand for Muskan. And raise hand for Archita. Okay, don't. There is a balanced response from the audience. Both of have chance. For me, both of you have chance. Okay. Now, your question, Muskan. What is the full form of ITC-JET? ITC-JET. What is the full form of ITC-JET? Jet. Zebra.
Intertropical
Right answer, intertropical convergence zone. What is the full form of ENSO? ENSO. ENSO. Speak in mic. El Nino Southern Oscillation. Right answer. When does Arabian Sea branch of monsoon reaches Mumbai? When does Arabian Sea branches of monsoon reaches
10th
Mumbai?
of June.
10th of June is the right answer. What is locally known as the amount of rain in winter in plains? What is locally known as amount of rain in winter in plains? If she fails to give the answer, I will remove the question. Otherwise, she will get bronze medal. Question is, what is locally known as the amount of rain in winter in plains? No. Do you know the answer, Muskan? Otherwise, I will remove this question. What is locally known as the amount of rain in winter in plains? No. So I am removing. I will ask another question. Can you tell the answer?
Mahavat.
Mahavat. Mahavat is the right answer. Clap for him. Your question. What is called the localized thunderstorm associated with violent winds, torrential downpours, often accompanied by hail in West Bengal? Kal Baishakhi is the right answer. Name the precipitation which helped Kerala and Karnataka mango to ripe. Mango shower. Right answer, mango shower. Your question. Where do we find stalagmite and stalactite? Stalactite caves. Where do we find stalagmite and stalactite caves? Masalam. Right answer, Masalam. Yes, good. What is called the plant which grow naturally and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time? Virgin vegetation. Right answer. What are called vegetation which are purely Indian?
Indigenous vegetation. Indigenous virgin vegetation.
Right answer. What are called the plant which have come outside of India? Exotic plant. Right answer. Start now. Name the state having maximum area under forest cover.
Mizoram.
Mizoram. Which has the largest area of forest cover? Mizoram is not the right answer. Name the state having maximum area under forest cover. which has larger area of forest cover, which has there is, I'm not asking percentage, I'm asking which state have largest forest area. Which state in India has largest? For it is not the Mizoram. Both of you have given wrong answer. Can you give the answer? Akshita? Guess? Guess? Yes, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the largest amount of forest in India. Mizoram has largest percentage. Average is highest there. Average is highest. So I am removing this question. This question was also here. Name the state having largest percentage area under forest cover. This question's answer is Mizoram. Okay. So now, whose question is this? You. Which is the most dominant species of moist deciduous plant? Which is the most dominant species of moist deciduous plant? The most, most dominant, one species, name one species which is the most dominant in deciduous. Teak. Teak is the right answer. Muskan, what is the average annual rainfall of dry deciduous forest? What is the average annual rainfall for dry deciduous forest?
100 to 70 centimeters. 100 to
70 to 100 centimeters. Smaller centimeters. Right answer. Which type of forest is found in Bihar? Dry deciduous forest. Right answer. At what altitude we find the wet temperate type of forest? At what altitude we find the wet temperate type of forest? What is the altitude for wet temperate forest?
1000 to 3000 meters.
1000 to 2000 meters. Right answer. Name any two trees which are found in the wet temperate type of forest.
Oak and chestnut.
Oak and chestnut is the right answer. In which forest saggy horn wild ibex found? In which forest saggy horn wild ibex found?
Mountain forest.
Mountain forest. Right answer. Mountain forest is the right answer. Now, your time, Archita. Name a plant which is only found in India. Sarpagandha. Right answer. Muskan. Muskan is spreading a smile. Which plant is used to cure asthma? Name the plant which is used to cure asthma.
Kachinar.
Kachinar. Right answer. What is the percentage of bird species which found in India? What is the percentage of birds?
30%.
30.
30.
13. 30.
30.
13 is the right answer. Muskan. Name the state where elephants are found in forest. Name the states of India where elephants are found in forest, not in zoo.
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh, 1, 3. Name any three. Name any three states of India where
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Your answer is not right. I am giving her chance. If she give right answer, then she will win, and you will lose. Okay.
Karnataka and Assam.
Yes. Assam, Kerala, and Karnataka. This is very simple. This question was simple question. You have mistaken in simple question. So, audience was right one. Arpita has, okay, you have played very well. So now bronze medal has been decided. Now it's time to decide silver and gold. Come on, come this side. Come here. Both of you come here. You come. Archita, you sit. You come. And bring the book also, because book will be required, I think. How many plants? Your question. Keep the mic closer. How many plants species are endangered?
20.
Plant species. How many plant species are endangered?
49.
You can you tell? How many plant species are endangered? If you will give the answer, you will get gold. Endangered plant species. How many plant species are endangered? Otherwise, I will remove this question. Do you know the answer? Okay, I will give you this.
1700. 1700.
No. I am removing this question. Okay. 1300. It is 1300. 1300. Now, who I am asking? How many biosphere reserve are there in India? 80. What is the position of India in density of population? What is the position of India in density of population? Third is the right answer. India is third densely populated country in the world. Name the two countries which is more densely populated than it. Do you know the name?
Bangladesh and Japan. Bangladesh and Japan.
Bangladesh and Japan are two countries which are densely populated than India. Whose question is now? Yes. What was the population density of India in the year 2011? What was the population density of India in the year 2011? Yes, because you mentioned the data of 2011. What was the population? Right answer, 382 people per square kilometer. What is the full form of NPP?
National Population Policy.
National Population Policy. So the question has been give me the book. Which question is this? Your How many types of animal species are there in India?
90,000.
90,000. Right answer. How many types of birds are found in India? How many types of birds are found in India? Number of varieties of birds in India. Number of species of birds in India. Right answer. 2000 is the right answer. Right answer. What is the name for four-horned antelope? Indian name for Hindi name for four-horned antelope.
Chausinga.
Chausinga. Chausinga is the right answer. What is the name for blue sheep in Himalayan region?
Bharal.
Bharal. Bharal is the right answer. Hard question. Can I ask us will you be able to give the answer? I think there are wildlife sanctuary, bird sanctuary and national parks in India. So tell me any one of these. Which is the northern most wildlife sanctuary, bird sanctuary or national park? Which is the northernmost? Which is the northernmost? Any of them. Either you can take a name of bird sanctuary, or it may be a wildlife sanctuary, or it may be a national park. Northernmost. This is a national park, northernmost national park in India.
Jim Corbett.
Jim Corbett. No. Can you give the answer? Dachigam National Park. So, Dachigam is the right answer. So, clap for Arpita. Finally, I can't say that he is lesser and she is better. Both are played equally well, but gold medal goes to Akshita and Ayush. First, you stand up. Stand up. Archita, stand up. Bronze medal to Archita. Clap for her. And silver medal to Ayush Negi. Clap for him. That's played very well. And gold medal goes to Akshita. Very well played. She has doubt in one question, but who has helped, I don't know. God has surely helped her to give 75% answer. She doesn't know that answer, but I don't know from where the answer comes to her. So all of you have class 9 did very well.